All right, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you doing? I hope all is well with you. Happy New Week to you. I hope everything is going very, very fine with you this morning. Last night we talked about this issue of audio and how some people, are crying about it. Some said that why must DPM release it? If you have not watched the video, please you can go and watch it. Our live streaming last night. We try our best to throw more light on it, to discuss about it in our own way. And I believe many of you have seen the video. If you have not, please, after this, try your best and spend some time on that video and let us know what you think about everything we discussed in that video. Remember the main topic in that stream in that our program is the open letter from one of our brother, and DPM somehow have reacted. She has reacted to that because many people, a lot of posts, different posts from different people on X. Some trying to condemn it. Some said that audio shouldn't have been made public and all that. I'm a kind of person that want to know what you think about it, your own gut, your feelings. What do you think about it? I would like to know, like I said, if you don't mind, you can share your own experience with us on that so that we can see what you think about it, because maybe we are seeing it differently. Maybe you have different opinion from what you have. I want you to relate it to us so we can understand what to think about the whole thing. So this morning, I saw a post that DPM made in that regard, in that aspect, reacting to people that are crying about that post. You see, what we do here is not, if you can be honest to yourself, I don't represent people that are agitating. I don't represent people that are leading any group or anything at all. What we do is to react. And my major concern is to make sure that anybody who parades himself as a leader or as an agitator, okay, should not hide behind that to light our people. So, in other words, what you do here is basically to expose, lies and cover up people that are covering up what they're doing in the name of fighting for Biafra and all that. Why they're carrying out their own, agenda to execute it somehow to make people feel that they're important when they're actually not important, because what they do is to see if they can make something from what is happening in pretense that they are fighting for freedom, but they're not. And putting people who are actually fighting, putting them in problem by making their effort look so useless. So what we do here is to expose it and to bring reality to everything going on, so that you can now make choice for yourself. We have never made any choice for anybody. I know why I'm saying this. So having said that, DPM made the reaction to that, to people crying, claiming that the audio is a problem to them, that it shouldn't have been made public and all that and all that. And they started by telling you that that audio can put PM in problem, which I've asked question, can any of them come out and explain to us how and why do they think that is going to put PM in problem? So DPM, without wasting much of time, let's quickly go to the post that she made in that regards. Okay, because on Adema, equal different at total, equal at Tokyo. So DPM, like I said, made a post about it, and that post is what we are going to go through now. Please, if you have not liked the video, do me a favor, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new. So what you are seeing now on the screen is the post that DPM made, as you can see, 6 hours ago, as of the time of recording this video. He said, press statement, August 23, 2026. Nigerian agents in Finland court unhappy about open court disclosure. Do you understand it? That some people are not happy because of that. He said, our attention has been drawn at Nigerian agents sitting in Kova courts are not happy that what Prime Minister Samanekpa said in Finland open court was brought out to Biafrans. I told you, remember, Kova court is the way the court we going to, they're going to have another court session, tomorrow being Tuesday, 2020, Tuesday 25th, 2026. That is August 25th, 2026. So tomorrow is another court section, and that one they have chosen to do it in another court. So what we're hearing here, what we're seeing now is that Nigerian agents in Finland court unhappy about the open court disclosure. That's Ifeanyi and Bryce Locoma and Chomokon, because this is something they don't want people to hear. Ever since that audio surfaced, nobody is talking. Tomorrow may be very, very dramatic because a lot is going on, and I will tell you why I think so. A lot is going on in the court. I believe I made a prediction yesterday that they will be doing everything and working with maybe they will try to lure PM lawyer into this to make sure that they block them from going to court, or they will ask them to drop their phone and all that, because Chomokoma and Bryce Locoma, that message that came now that surfaced is like a bomb on them. And you know, Lazuba have never talked about this although if you have done something on that, please let me know. If she listen, whether she talked about it or not is not important. It's not important. But for you to know the gravity of the criminality of these guys, they know what they're doing and they're doing it on purpose. The victim here is you and I, who may not have any access to PM. You are just following. Their own is to deceive you if you allow them, actually. But if you don't, if you do not allow them, they will talk to hand, meaning that nothing will happen and nobody actually will care whatever they come up with. He said, Nigerian agents in Finland court unhappy about the open court disclosure. Our attention has been drawn that Nigerian agents sitting in the Kova court are not happy that what Prime Minister Samanekpa said in Finland open court was brought out to Biafrans. We wish to state as follows. Number one, Kova proceeding are open court under Finnish law. Open court means public. There is no secret. There's no secrecy. What is said in open court belongs to the public. Biafrans have right to know what their Prime Minister said in their defense. Two, if Nigerian agents are angry that truth came out, it confirmed PM told truth, PM stated. If Nigerian agents are angry that truth came out, it confirms PM's told truth, PM stated. USB declared in Latin Finland, okay? That's what PM said. It confirmed that PM said the truth, like he stated, that USB declared in Latin Finland November 29th, 2024, with 40 states meant Montevideo Convention, Montevideo 1933. USB Independency Declaration in Latin is part of the process to our full protection and freedom. USB Constitution is excel in legal, and cabinet can use it. Okay, USB Constitution in exile is legal and cabinet can use it. Okay, the constitution that people are saying, oh, you have constitution, but you are in your land and all that nonsense. You are saying that because you don't know the procedure, you don't know the process. He said, Dr. Ngozo Rabese represents the only leader of the 80 million Biafrans at this moment. One government, one constitution, one declaration. One declaration. This truth hurts Nigerian agents because it exposed Nigerian and their Biafran agents fighting our freedom and declaration. The Finnish Open Court hosts Nigerian as a terrorist state, not Biafra. The Finnish Open Court hosts Nigerian as a terrorist state, not Biafra. Third, we will not hide Open Court from Biafrans. Open Court is not secret meeting. Biafrans funded this stage. Okay, Biafrans funded this struggle. Biafrans are the people. We continue to brief Biafrans on every Open Court segment. Fourth, Nigerian agents should leave Finland court if they are in Finland to intimidate and to stop Biafrans from hearing the Prime Minister. They are interfering with Finnish open justice. We ask Finnish court to note their presence. Number 5, Finland court conducts secret hearing during PM's appeal, and the public were not allowed into the court. Nigerian agents should understand the difference between Finland open court and secret court hearings. Open court is open. We will not be intimidated. Itim Pataka. Signed, Dr. Ngozo Rabeze, DPM USB head of Brigade / de facto United States of Biafra government in exile, Lati. This is it. And like I said, you can go on her page, then you will see more, you can read more, you may understand better. But reason why I'm calling your attention to this for you to be aware. And my prediction yesterday, last night, maybe may take place tomorrow, because tomorrow being Tuesday, August 25th, 2026, the course section will commence, and it's going to be in a different location. Chomo Koma, Branch Koma have been in Finland for heaven knows how long, and they are there for a reason. They are fighting for survive. They are fighting to survive and to remain in their communal activities. But one thing is for sure: Biafran cannot start and end in Finland. Do you understand? Things must not start and end in Finland. Current concern, life goes on. But the moment you begin to undermine what you're supposed to not have undermined, what you are doing, you are opening yourself up for questioning, because Biafrans are going to question all your activities. They're going to question everything you claim that you are doing. You don't lie because you want to be relevant. Let us be, frank to ourselves. Everything they are doing today is not helping the movement or the freedom. It's not helping anybody. It's not helping anybody. But is it going to last? No. They should ask other people that have tried this kind of thing in the past. How long did it take them to vanish? How long do you think they're going to last with this kind of activities that there is a beating now? Because what they are trying to tell Biafrans is that the Biafrans don't know anything, whereas everything is actually made known to Biafrans. The era of hide and seek is gone. You need to be frank, you need to be realistic, you need to be truthful before people cannot take it serious. You don't just wake up and impose yourself on people and expect them to keep quiet, because it doesn't matter how long you spend in Finland. It doesn't matter how long you're manipulating people that you can manipulate, but as day goes by, as day pass by, people are going to regain their sense of reason and begin to question everything that you're putting out there, trying to hide, trying to deceive, trying to make it look like only you and only you alone knows what Biafran wants. No. I asked the question again: what is the Chomo Koma's level when PM was there? In that brigade that you guys are claiming that you are now, which is very, very laughable. What was her position before PM was taken? Who is Chomo Koma in brigade? In brigade government structure? Who is Bryce Koma in brigade's government structure when PM was here? In other words, in 2023, 2024, early 2024, what is her position? Who is she, and what has she done? So this is all emergency leader. They want to become a leader. They want to control everything. How did you get to that point? Who pushed you? Ogenkere, as a minister, as finance minister, is more high in rank than Chomo Koma. So if Ogenkere could not get it done, is he you? What do you think? That somebody shine layers is telling you that you are that Yahweh chose you. Is Yahweh the one that chose Master Khan? Is he Yahweh that chose PM? Or do they do something that make people to see them as as someone that can lead and follow them? What have you done apart from cut and join and manipulation? What have you done that makes you think that you cannot lead and dictate things for your friends? What I'm saying is something that is public. Remember, I'm not an insider, but you have to be frank to yourself. See things for yourself before you cannot question anything. Don't just allow yourself to be fooled by this kind of baseless argument. People with different mindsets. Some don't like DPM, some don't believe in her, some don't want to talk about her simply because she's a woman. All that is because that she refused to, like Defra United said that he called DPM and he messaged her, she did not respond, or she did not, consult him before taking decision. Funny reasons. Last but only because she wanted to become defense minister, and that was not given to her. She wanted to go to America for Trump inauguration. Remember that did not DPM did not support her, or DPM did not welcome that kind of idea. So called gave her the tell Bato and Udua come any sensible person would not allow, would not want to go with you with that kind of mentality. What I'm trying to say in summary is that all of them have different reasons why they hate themselves in the name of hating DPM. But at the end of the day, what matters is not about your personal hatred on her. What matters is what is good for the people. If you can accept this, it will help you to behave well. God bless you and take care of yourself. Please let me know what you think about it and what DPM said. Tomorrow, we shall see how the whole thing will be. Day one. Good morning to you. Bye bye for now.